In this video, I'm going to show you step by step, and you are going to learn how to create amazing artwork like this, being pastel or charcoal pencil or acrylic on canvas. Watch till the end. So creating an amazing artwork like this actually needs a lot of your time, energy, and focus. You understand what I'm saying? So whether you are a complete beginner or you're an experienced artist, but you want to take with these tips, can help you improve and take your art to the next level. So starting a drawing, first thing you need to do is by sketching the work. Sketching is one of the most important factor tools in drawing. Before you start your drawing or your painting, you already have that which you want to draw, being objects or portraits or whatever the case may be, whatever you want to draw, you understand? So you have to sketch. So sketching the work, while I was a beginner, that was one of my biggest challenge, of course. It is your sketching that is going to determine your drawing, that thing you want to draw, being objects or whatever the case may be. So, and secondly, another challenge I was facing was, proportion and balancing. Proportion and balance is one of the difficult challenges again, how to make use of space, because while I was a beginner, trying to balance a drawing in a given space was one of the greatest challenge I was facing. Sometimes I would draw, the drawing will overfill the size, or maybe part of the drawing or what I want to draw would be missing. You understand? But as I continued learning and improving myself, I was able to overcome this situation. So I'm just here trying to encourage you and boost you, for you to understand that it's all about time. You understand? Whatever you're having difficulty with, being sketching or color application or application of shades on the object or figure, but if you're having those challenges or difficulties, don't give up. That is why I'm here, to encourage you and to help you understand the basic things you need to do as an artist. You understand? So if you find this video interested, subscribe and stay tuned for more. Help me share, tell me what you think of it. I hope you learned something today lesson. See you in my next video. All right.